Hello, thank you for checking out A1 Math, and today we're working with rigid motion. And what I want to do is show you how to do a translation, a reflection, and a rotation. So in this first video, I'm going to go over translation and reflection. So to do a translation, what you want to do is take a look at what the translation is asking for. In this particular case, we have 2 units down. And with a translation, it is a slide, SL for slide. So you would slide down 2 units, and you could also slide left and right, but this one's only asking for you to slide down 2 units. So what you want to do is take your original image, which is U, X, T, and V here, and each point you want to slide down the number of units. So here's 2 units here, 2 units here, and this point here is point T, and it's going to be called T prime. This point is U, U prime. Then 2 more points here, V prime. And then here, 2 points. And it's hard to see, but it's an S, and that'll be S prime. All right. Then you want to take a straight edge and draw your lines. Connect your points. And finally, you want to write your points for each one. So here I've got T, U, V, and S, but it's T prime, U prime, V prime, and S prime. And the coordinates is going to be, and matter of fact, let's write it this way. T prime is over 4 and up 1. Make sure that's legible. Then U prime is over 1 and down 3. And then S is over 5 and down 2. And finally V, which is over 3 and down 3. And now I have my points. And that's my translation for 2 units down. Now we're going to do reflection. Now reflection is maybe even easier, but it's going to be flipped over a particular axis. In this case, it's the y-axis. So FL for flip and reflection. And the y-axis is going this way. So we're going to move it over this way. You might think because it's y, you need to go up and down. No. You want to flip it over the y-axis, so we're going to flip it left and right. Okay? Now, to get the correct reflection, you want to look at the line you're reflecting over and count how many points there, and then count that same amount in the opposite direction. So here I have 1, 2 this way, so I'm going to go 1, 2 this way. And that's going to be my V prime. For the Y, I'm going 1, 2, 3 this way. Now I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 this way. And that is my Y prime. All right, next, I'm going to have my W, which is over 3. So I'm going to go back 3 this way, W prime. And then X, which is 4 here, we're going to go 4 here. All right, and now I'm gonna go ahead and connect my points. Yep. And now I have my new polygon that's reflected over here. And finally, all I'm gonna do now is just write each point, each coordinate over here. I'm gonna start with the y. And y prime is going to be 0 and, nope, my bad. 1, 2, 3, -3, and up 0. And then I'm gonna go over 2, -2, and up 0. And finally, I'm gonna have, well, not finally, but this is v prime, x prime over 1, 2, 3, 4, and up 2. That's -4. And now finally over 3 and up 3. Okay. And those are my points for my new image, better known as the image. And this is the pre-image without the prime here. And that's how you do a reflection. Okay. So that's a translation and a reflection. Don't forget to put your points here. And I want to thank you for checking out A1 Math. Have a nice day.